morning, everybody. How you doing? Just continuing on with this project on this El Camino. So this is where we're at right now. So we got this all set up. That box cover, blower cover. So we need to make a hole here and one hole here. The other holes line up, and that'll be ready to go, right? And then that's done for the firewall. I hope that's it. All right, so. That'll be that. All right, on to the next step. Well, we're cleaning all this mess up out of here. We emptied everything that was back here. I'm gonna clean this out. And we got some body work to do in the two corners. We're gonna finish the back off. And then probably start on the roof. So, but we're gonna try putting that door on. Make sure that door fits. All right, well, we're cleaning we're gonna mount the door. We just finished cleaning everything up, move the car over a little bit. Cleaning up these holes. We're gonna tap through all these holes. Josh is cleaning all the bolts with the wire wheel, wire brush. This way it'll go on nice and smooth. So rusty. Surprised they came off without breaking. And like I said, this door has been changed because this door had a different, it had molding holes on the bottom, which this car didn't have. Let me finish cleaning these holes up and then we'll fit the door.
Okay, so blow the latch out.
All the sand is stuck in the latch, so.
We tried putting it on the first time I got it stuck.
Make sure it works. Get a screwdriver, push that. Because we were taking it off, we had a hell of a time getting it off. Just like that, it's stuck. We gotta mess with this for a while, so this is gonna take a while. Shut the camera off. We'll mess with this and then we'll get back to you.
Alright, so we're just gonna take the latch out because we still can't get it to open. So.
It won't release.
Either the spring's just junk or...
I don't know what happened.
turn this off when we get it out.
And 3 hours later, what a piece of crap. It's all jammed up. It's all like
I think the sand
looks like undercoating and grease and sand and everything got jammed in there. So put it in a sandblaster. You got to sandblast all that rust and everything out of there. And we'll blow it out and re-grease it, and it should work. We did that other car that time. All right, go ahead. All right, well, while he's going to sandblast that, I'm gonna got a couple of dents. I'm gonna straighten this thing out. That's the valance that goes between the bumper and the grill. All right, so Josh, this nice. Watch how nice it works now. Sandblasted the whole inside and outside, right? Door striker goes in, right? This is you're pushing this
for your
right
door handle.
Nice. Click. Right?
Click. I didn't want to do nothing before.
It wouldn't even move before.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to put that back in the door now. And then we'll get it so we can latch it. Alright? Alright, we finally got this stupid thing back together. Waste all freaking day messing with this junk. This goes on here. Right. Back on there. That. What's up, Ray? Yo, close that door. All right, that's the end of that. Getting too late now. We're gonna finish this tomorrow. Put the door on and see how that fits.